Oh my god. You guys, we made it to Apple Green! It's day 30! We are officially finishing a monthly challenge. Ah! Ah! Like, literally the second I finished this picture, I went to Casey Golden's shop and ordered a Hue-vember completion merit badge. Oh, I'm so excited! Right, calm down. Okay. Ace, talk about your artwork. This one was really simple. I've been watching a lot of Casey Golden's videos right now, if that wasn't obvious. And when I saw this bright green color, all I could think of were her cactus creatures she used to draw. She'd make like a dog cactus that was a cactus shaped like a dog, or a weird multi-headed cat thing that was also prickly and green because it was also a cactus. So yeah, that's how I landed at this. What is this, you may ask? Well, it's an adorable, very confused cactus bunny, of course. I mean, obviously. What else would it be? And why is this particular cactus bunny confused, you might ask? Well, it's because this other cactus bunny gave him an unexpected kiss. I actually really like this picture. It's very simple, but I think it's adorable. And the little bunny that's giving the kiss with the tail is so happy. The other one is just like, huh? Wait, what are we doing? I don't know, it just makes me giggle. Much like the slime girl from yesterday, this one was a bit irritating to color because when I got to filling in the girl, her legs got a bit streaky, even though the pen was definitely properly activated, and I shook it several times during the coloring process. I don't know, whatever. It doesn't matter. I really love this picture. I like the one bunny has like a flower, a fluffy white flower for a tail, and the other one just has a cactus like arm for a tail. And the one bunny has short ears, the one bunny has long ears. There's supposed to be different species of cacti. I'm not really sure how well that translates, especially since it's the same color. But that was my original thought, was that they're two different kinds of bunny cactus. As if there are many kinds of bunny cactuses. Yeah. Anyway, like I said, I like this picture because it's cute, and also because, guess what? Now that it's done, that means that Apple Green is check done. And I won't see you until next year for another one. Thank you so much for joining me for this Huevember challenge. I really appreciated all you guys' comments and encouragement. And stay tuned for the flip through, as well as my thoughts about how the challenge went in a separate video coming soon. And until my next video, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!